changes to the header or footer. And then there is like an appearance tab. This is one of the important thing where you want, if there is a change that is going to happen for the menus, right? If say that if we wanted to make changes, for instance, if tomorrow we say that we got a requirement to change all these menus and submenu names, where would you go to change it? Is inside this appearance. Go to this appearance. Where did that go? I already clicked the appearance, I guess. See the appearance. You go to appearance, and then like here, if you scroll down, you will be able to see the menus. Click on this menus. And here you'll be able to see all the details. This is how it is. This is the main menu. When I say main menu, this is the main menu. This is the main menu. Underneath this is called as the sub menus. So we have home, India, USA, about us, and impact. You would be able to see everything in that same order. Home, India, and then like USA, like it's same pattern follows. And if there is any sub menus, you just need to drop it or like copy this and put it inside this, push it towards your right. That's all. That will actually like create submenus. So in order to link this, you just need to go here and see that, for instance, Satnapalli cluster, if you click on this link, it should allow you to open a new page or a cluster. So in order to do that, you would be seeing here the option that we have given here is like, where should it go is like, this is the page that you can give the tribal cluster. When you create it, you will be able to see that. And this is the page that it goes. We will be all changing it. So I'll be with you guys to guide you there. It shouldn't be a problem. So here they would have listed what are the menus and submenus. If you put it underneath the main menu, it comes as a sub item, which is called as a submenu. This is how you change the menus. And then like this volunteer and donate button, right? That is by default, it comes with the Chariton theme, and like we have customized it to use as a button. Two buttons here. That is why you're seeing this two button format. Even though it comes in the menu option, we have the option in the WordPress to change it to button. So we have edited it to button. And then like a custom link is nothing but where you want the page to go. That is how you need to link your button. If you click that button, it goes to the SERA volunteer page. That's how it is. And we have like a custom button written, because like customization is like you need the green color Chariton theme based color for this, and white color has to come when you hover over. This text has to be bold. All this has been written in this custom button, which is the CSS class. I will have to go through my notes where this CSS class is residing. If there is a need, I will definitely let you know where we have changed it. And say if you wanted to delete any menu items, there is a delete menu option. And if you wanted to add, we just hit add and save it. And this menu name is called as the navigation menu, which means this is the menu name that has been used inside the SERA Trust page. That's all about this menus as well. And if you see here, let me go. Everything resides pretty much on the same home page. Let me show you that. So this is all coming based off the Chariton theme that I said. Like only the customization, what we did was like add few images, and then when you hover over, the color has to go to that Chariton theme color based. So this was already there. We did not make any changes. Everything pretty much whatever you're seeing in the home page should be done in the home 3 dot page. So here what we did was like we listed the SDGs. When you hover over this, it will flip the SDG. It will go to SDG if you see. SDG image or what is the goal of that. And then Cynthia wanted like a description to show what it is. When you hover over, it will also highlight in that parent teal color. So we wrote a customization for this. The kids wrote Sarvation, these two only did that customization. For this, so they came to this main page and did and this is nothing but SERA created impact is nothing but like they wanted to know what is the volunteering hours and kilometers and global SMEs. This is again, which is the available in the homepage, which is the theme based one. So we leave it as is now. And this is one of the video image that was attached. That is also available in that home 3. And this is like a chapter. If you wanted to go to a chapter, this is again like a we just need to make customization on top of that homepage based on the requirement. That's all. If you see, I think they have hooked up. We need to hook that to the SARA volunteering, to this volunteering page. Again, the kids did this volunteer page. See, here there were customizations, but this is so simple. So if say that if you wanted to do this volunteer page, it says if you look at the URL, it is coming under service SARA hyphen volunteer. If you go in here, there is something called services. So yeah, I would not save any changes. So I'll come here. If you see here, and there are 3 services. Whatever we saw it, right? Like in this services, let me go back and show you. See, these are the services. Start as SARA chapter, adopt a village, SARA volunteering. This is all kind of like it comes inside the services block. So if you wanted to make any changes to that volunteering page, we go here and then like edit the SARA volunteer. So you always have to click edit with Elementor, like I told you, because this is the plugin, Elementor plugin here. If you edit with Elementor, it gives you with that Elementor images to drag and drop. That's what I was telling you. So you say that if you wanted to change the text of it, you just come here and then go to this left-hand menu inside the title and change it here. It will get updated. This is how it is. I say tomorrow, if we wanted to change or bring in one entry here using this message after this, she's asking you to enter one, and then like you go hit edit advanced and pull up the text box or whatever is needed. Say if we wanted to change the image, same thing. Everything is like pretty much in here, and you just click here. If you wanted to pull it from gallery, you will be able to see it from the library. When I say this is a gallery which is available in SARA Trust website itself, these are the images that are available. If you wanted to create a new image, then you can always create your new image and upload here. So you will be able to see it in the gallery, media library. That's all. Otherwise, there is another option. If you wanted to insert from URL, you just give the URL. Say if you wanted to get anything from YouTube, you just give the URL and what is the link to the text, so that video will be opening. This is the I've just given you the high level overview of how we can change. And if you see here, this is the team leaders, right? Cynthia was mentioning that she needed to add few members and few members or remove few members because they have gone to a different position. So in order to do that, there will be something called teams here. You just hit go back. I don't want to save this. So there should be an option for team. See, this is the team. Everything is available in this theme based thing only. Chariot on theme. See, these are the available teams that is you can upload any photos and then like add any members. This is how say that like if you wanted to remove anything, it is so easy. You just come here and delete. Say if I don't want it, you just come here and then like you can trash it. Where is the option? See, there will be an option here to either like trash or duplicate this or something like this, like if you wanted. So say that if you wanted to trash, hit delete by using this trash button. Or if you wanted to add a new member, like duplicate this and update the image. That's all. Here you can just do an edit. You can change the description. You can add the description and come on. This is like a Wonder Block, I think. This is like a Wonder Block is again a plugin that comes here. Here you can add whatever the title it is. This was pretty much looked by Suryansh. There was another guy, Suryansh, who did this. So he'll be able to tell any requirements if we ever get it from Cynthia. So he'll help in like guiding in those. But here is that there are like options available. I'm just trying to show you how it is available. You make changes and hit save. That's all you'll be able to see. What else is important? Yeah, this is by default. If we don't want this testimonials, this is also comes within that theme. If we decide we don't want this testimonials, even if now this is all kind of dummy thing, coming from that theme based theme based website, we can also delete this. So this is the overall thing, but she will give us the new requirements. Based on that requirements, we'll see how to work on. Yeah. But do you have any questions so far? I will send you the username and password. Um, this will be all, trust me, guys, this is all be self-learning and easy. Did somebody had a question?
Kaushik, did you have a question? We can barely hear you. We can't hear you, Kaushik. Type in the chat. Okay, so anybody else?
I will send the username and credentials.
Mm.
Yeah, username, password, and link also you're going to send, right?
Yes, everything. Yes.
Yeah, okay. And for this, we need to install a plugin, element plugin, as you mentioned. Is
No,
that
it
the
is already
process?
there, installed. It
It's
is
already
all
there? Okay.
already there, so we don't need to do it. But if at all, if you wanted to add any plugins, you can install the plugins as well. If there is any need to install, that is also like free. We can
Okay.
install plugins.
And
Okay.
please let the kids do the
See,
installation and everything.
this is
Parents
the
only, yeah, be next to them and then just guide them, but let the kids do it.
Yeah, sure, sure.
yeah.
Okay, Kaushik messaged, for example, the area where it is said that client feedback, it showed it all the. Yeah, Kaushik, you guys will have to update it.
So I've sent you the username. I mean, link, URL, username, and password. Just go play with it. What we need to do is like in the meantime, you guys like watch a YouTube video to see what is Elementor plugin in WordPress. This will be a good starting point. And like there will be 8-minute video to know about overall or WordPress. Overall video on WordPress. Overall video to get started on WordPress. That's all. If you watch these two videos, you'll be able to do. This is like kind of like all self-learning. Everything you can pretty much do because it is all drag and drop. Only like customization, if at all, if you wanted to make, there will be JavaScripts you have to write. And like
Things you sent in chat, could you send that in WhatsApp as well? The group.
What is
Yeah,
that?
she sent it in the
Sinchana?
WhatsApp only.
Like the Elementor plugin in WordPress and the overall video to get started on WordPress. Like, could you send that on WhatsApp as well?
Oh, YouTube link? Okay.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Yeah, that's like a YouTube link I want you to watch. But anyway, I'll look for the videos and send you guys to start.
Again, Madhu, you are babysitting them.
Okay.
You know, as Indian kids will not learn anything because they are so used to parents feeding them.
Yeah, yeah, it is like all in YouTube only. If you say search,
Guys,
Mhm.
search for it. Okay? Do some experiments, search for it, put some effort into it, and then learn from different sources, not just one. I'm on a call right now, right? You want to talk to me right now? Thank you so much.
Yeah.
So, Madhu, do we want to give them requirements? First of all, kids,
First,
are you all fine
take.
taking some requirements?
I would think that let them go over the first two elements and then we'll give them the requirements, Cynthia. But I'll collect the requirements.
So tomorrow is when you want to give them or next week? Vedang is here. Vedang, dear, I just need, even Cynthia Edwards called me. She wanted Rotary Women of Impact to be completed. So,
It's not? Okay.
yeah,
Yeah.
and Vedang, what I'm thinking is, probably we should set up a online store for the tribal women. So instead of Cynthia Padala, that the personal website, I'll make it into a
Store?
a store, and
Okay.
probably buy the domain name, I mean the name and all that.
Yeah.
So we have to work on that also, Vedang.
Yeah, okay. Just remember, like last time, we should, to work efficiently, we should both get on call and work on it.
Yes, ma, I'll do that. So,
Yeah. Am I particularly needed for this call, or is it more like introductory call for newcomers?
no, but why don't, Madhu, can I give some requirements to Vedang?
For SERA Trust or like
Yeah, yeah, Sarah.
SERA Trust?
Because
Okay.
it's been pending for such a long time, right, Madhu?
Yeah, we'll
And
need to. Yeah, I have to also like go out, Cynthia. Like I can be here but for 10 minutes, but
no, you can drop off. Everybody can drop off. I'll just assign this to Vedang and put it in the group, whatever screenshots I put it. He'll just make those changes. That's all.
Okay. Yeah, and
Okay.
I have one and also like I need the requirement so I can I've already given one requirement to Sarvesh since he's already worked on. So if you can put the other requirements, like let me see which one I can ask him to do.
Okay, so let me, I'm sharing my screen quickly. Give me 1 second.
Before that, like others, like you guys can learn what is Elementor and then go over the WordPress um, overall admin, like overall, like how what is WordPress. You can go over in that YouTube video, and then from next week you can just collect the requirements. Is that okay with you all?
Yeah. So we don't have a meeting tomorrow then?
I don't think so. Cynthia, what do you think? Anyway, they need to learn all this first before
Yeah, let's
collecting.
meet next week itself. Sinchana, let's meet next week, everybody. And meanwhile, I'll give some requirements over here in the group and you can go from there. Veda,
Yeah.
yeah, so these are the ones that are already there. I can reply back in this website itself.
Okay.
We did
Cynthia,
not
can you just put it into that new group, if you don't
Yeah.
mind?
Okay, I'll do that. I'll just forward these.
So, yeah, forward this and tell what we have to do. So it'll be easy.
Yeah. So this one, I think Vedang should be able to finish it off, right? These are very plain and simple ones.
Okay, I'm looking at them.
Yeah, which one do you need?
See, this need to be removed. I already gave few other people who have to be added. So I'll give them one more time, but at least remove this person. And about us, it has to be changed. There are some corrections over here. Make those
That food.
corrections. And
Okay.
funding facts also. Remove the funding facts portion completely, I said.
Okay, funding facts. Okay, then too much white space. Hmm.
Yes. No, just
Okay.
remove the whole thing.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. If
Yeah,
you
and
see
what's the
this,
admin and to the stuff? Is it on Wix, WordPress? Which one?
No, this is WordPress, Vedang. This is
So
WordPress.
yeah. So can I get the admin to this so I can change it?
I just put it in that group. See,
it's
Oh,
over
okay, I
here.
see.
in the new
Thank you.
group also it is there.
That's good.
Yeah.
Good to know. Yeah.
Yeah. So Vedang, please work on these and this
Okay.
space.
Yeah, okay,
Hey,
I will
hi
work on it.
your dad. It's been a while since we spoke, and he
Uh-huh.
promised an arm and a leg, right, Madhu? He
Yeah,
will also volunteer and all that
volunteer.
stuff.
Yeah. So this footer
My
section,
dad's really busy right now.
Vedang,
Mm.
I'll give
Yeah.
that footer section to Sarvesh. I've asked him to work on the dynamically, automatically updating the year. So I'll give this complete footer section to him. Okay, like whatever she did. Okay. Yeah, and you take care of the teams, whatever she's sending you teams, and then like she wanted to remove Bhujang Rao. Funding facts also Sarvation you only did. You can remove that. You don't
Yeah.
need Cynthia.
The thing is, too much of stuff, information is there, Madhu. And this
Okay,
funding facts, what they are showing is like, the SDGs, right? The
correct.
SDGs we already covered in another part of the page.
You only gave the second one, but that's okay. If you don't need, we'll remove. Yeah.
Yeah, I can actually show you that. So this is fine. Now this is all SDGs, right? Same thing.
Correct.
Yeah,
Hmm?
so this we have to change this SDGs. Some SDGs. See, we
Some of them?
still.
Okay.
Hmm?
You give the pictures.
No, they can always Google, yeah.
Okay, I thought like you said like I mean like you have pictures. Yeah.
Wait. So what do you want to do? So when you hover on them, right? Do you want to just keep the infographic or do you want to keep the photo?
No, we want to keep the infographic, but the
Yeah,
infographic
so
actually
remove
has
the
to pop
photo.
out. Yeah, and the infographic has to pop out.
Okay.
Because you
Okay, I'll
can't
see
see
what I
anything
can
in the
do.
infograph. Yeah.
Yeah.
So no, first of all, let's list it down, right?
Yeah.
Um.
You have to leave, Madhu?
Yeah, there is like a Varalakshmi Viritam, so I thought like I can
Please
go
do, please.
after like finishing this admin modules demo. You put it in the group, Cynthia, so I'll ask whatever like that footer section since he's working. I'll give it to him, that footer or whatever it is. You just list down and I'll discuss with Vedang which he wanted to take and what Sarvesh can do. Only these two guys are available now.
Yes. Thank you so much, Madhu. Have fun.
Yeah.
Also, Cynthia Aunty, what happened to like the college students?
The college students wanted to do a bigger project, and you guys are not available.
Oh, okay.
Okay. The infographic must.
Okay, I'm leaving, Cynthia. So we'll meet next
All
week.
right.
Yeah, thank you. Bye, Vedang. I'll call you, okay, if I have.
Bye bye. Bye, mother. Mother
Yeah,
auntie.
yeah, bye.
All right. Okay. Everybody else, if you want to stay, you can stay. If you want to leave, you can. I'm just giving requirements to Vedang. Okay, that's
Mhm.
one thing. And then here again,
Same thing.
yes.
Okay.
This one, replace the images, replace the pictures.
With the popping infographic.
Yes.
That's okay. WordPress is slightly new to me, so only slightly. I've used it before, but I'm not as good at it with I am with like Wix, right? So it might take a
Mhm.
little bit longer. So it'll be good if we can call over the weekend so we can both work on it together.
Yes, that'll be good. And then probably we should also look at the what is store.
Yeah.
And then you are removing this funding facts.
Okay.
And the team members, I already told you you remove this,
Yeah.
and then we need to add two more.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So yeah. So that would be it.
Okay. All right. I'll log on to the WordPress site and I'll head out now.
Available, let me actually stop recording, and then if you are available right now, can we take a look at the Wix one?
If it only takes like 15 minutes, I can.
Or
Yeah.
that's fine. Ping me whenever you're available this weekend.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then we can go from there. Okay.
Okay.